Okay, so I am currently in the process of preparing for my IELTS examination, and it's been almost a month. I've been watching some of the videos from Asad Yaqub's channel. He's definitely a great guy. I should suggest you do follow him. I highlight this fact that I have been teaching IELTS way back in 2017 and 18. I have already given an IELTS exam in 2010 and I got a 7.5 band. I am a self-paced person. I may not need an academy, but if you are preparing for IELTS, I would strongly suggest you join an academy. You need to understand the structure and the format of the test. You don't need to have a giant grip over the English language. You don't need to use fancy vocabulary. You don't need to use fancy words. All that matters is how well you follow the instructions, how well you write in the writing part, how well you answer questions in your speaking part, how confident you are, and at the end of the day, how well prepared you are. In understanding the overall test structure, it is important to remember that you need to time yourself. There are 4 modules and every module has its own time limitation. You need to practice yourself and answer all of the questions according to the instructions within that specific time limit. Because if you don't, you will end up panicking. It will be a perfect recipe for disaster, which will eventually lead to a poor band score. And if you're already paying 43,000 rupees, if you're doing it from Pakistan, and I guess it's 15,000 rupees if you're doing it from India, I think roughly it's about $200 and $220. That's a lot of money, man. So don't let it go down the drain. Make sure you time yourself, you practice yourself with the right format, you have a solid understanding of some good English words, a good understanding of synonyms, of what exactly is in the listening part, what are the important points that the listener highlights, exaggerates while the audio is being played. And similarly, how do you answer the question? You don't need to answer using bullet points. You need to know the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. So that is a simple format. And for speaking, it's all about your body language. It's all about your confidence. It's all about answering the questions within the specific time limit. And in case, if you're unable to do that, don't worry. Go ahead, spend 15 or 20,000 rupees or spend any amount of money and get it done from anywhere. Because जो आपको academies में मिलेगा, at least वो आपको proven tips and tricks देते हैं. Don't go for online. If you can, go for physical on-site classes ताकि आप लोगों को पता चले कि IELTS का structure क्या होता है, उसका format क्या होता है और वो test दिया किस तरह रहता है. क्योंकि अगर आपको format ही नहीं पता होगा तो घंटा आप लोगों ने test देना है. So that's it for this video. I'm going to be making a lot more videos on IELTS and English on this channel, and I would really appreciate if you can go ahead, give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. Jazakallah khair. Take care, and I wish you all the best for your IELTS preparation.